Anything you need, my name is Carlos.
Gracias, Carlos. Thank you. All right, I am hungry. Look at that. Love a good gyro. Look at all of that meat. It must weigh like a pound and a half. Oh, my falafel fell out. It's like a delicious little chickpea ball, fried, so good. It's got spices in it, very, very warm. These sweet potato fries, as you can see, they're good because they're almost gone. And this mayo ketchup is some of the best I've had. Not just mayo ketchup, they've got some seasoning in here